If Clipchamp is showing an error message and you're not sure what to do next, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common Clipchamp error messages and show you the fastest fixes step by step. We'll cover the something went wrong message, the network type error, text-to-speech failed, and export issues that get stuck or fail. These fixes are simple, beginner-friendly, and in many cases they solve the problem without needing to reinstall anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. If you see the message, something went wrong, the first thing to try is refreshing the page. A simple refresh often clears temporary loading issues and gets Clipchamp working again. If that doesn't help, sign out of your account and then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix login-related problems behind the scenes. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Then select Cache and Cookies, click Clear, and restart your browser. This is one of the most reliable fixes for browser-based editing problems. Now, if you're seeing a network-type error, the issue is usually related to your connection or browser settings. Start by turning off any VPN or proxy you may be using, because those can interfere with Clipchamp loading properly. Next, try switching to a different network, such as another Wi-Fi connection or a mobile hotspot, to see if the problem is tied to your current internet source. If the error continues, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off ad blockers or any suspicious extensions that might be blocking Clipchamp from connecting. Another important step is to make sure cookies are enabled. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Cookies, and allow all cookies. Clipchamp often needs cookies to keep your session stable and save changes correctly. If the problem is related to text-to-speech failed, the fix is usually much simpler. First, shorten the text you're trying to convert. Very long scripts or complicated wording can sometimes cause the voice tool to fail. If that still doesn't work, change the voice and try again. Some voices may not process certain text as well as others. And if you're still having trouble, refresh the page and run the text-to-speech feature one more time. A quick reset like that can clear a temporary glitch and get the feature working again. Now let's talk about export problems. If your export is failed or stuck, the first thing to do is lower the export quality. Go to Export and choose 720p instead of a higher resolution. This reduces the workload and can help the file finish processing successfully. Next, close any heavy tabs or apps running in the background, because too many open programs can slow your computer down and interfere with the export. Also make sure you wait for the project to fully load before clicking Export. Sometimes the timeline or media is still processing in the background, and exporting too early can trigger an error or freeze the project. So the rule is simple: refresh if needed, sign out and back in, clear your cache and cookies, check your network, disable extensions, allow cookies, shorten text-to-speech content, and lower export quality when needed. Most Clipchamp error messages are caused by browser conflicts, network issues, or temporary glitches, and these steps usually fix them quickly. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want more easy step-by-step tutorials, I've got plenty more coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.